Jason, parang superhero.
Ulat ni Mike Antonio, may nahulog nila sa harapan niya.
May lumagabog.
3 straight now for Sistema. Timeout, IEM.
Madali sa receive.
Okay. Ay, sa matalino atake. Kargado service. Agad kaya ko ibigay sa kay Rudy. Dito. Mabigat yung service. Kailangan mo humanap ng tamang angulo kung kailan makapasok. So, walang gigil ha. Sige, babae kami sa receive. Aming tingin na.
Pinulungan na ni Boss Jun Balubar yung Canlas Boys. At sabi naman ni Carlo Almario, akuhin na niya lahat ng receive.
Yan eh, di ba? Take charge. Tapos yung, dipdipin mo na yung role mo. Di ba?
Right.
Kung ano yung matutulong mo.
Right. Richard Gomez trying to egg everybody on. Still just a 2-point lead from a high of 5. 8-3 po kanina yung score. Ngayon 8-6 na. On the serve of former IEM captain Angelo Macalma. Another good one. And Ordonez cannot save it. Naghahanap siya ng violation that was called.
Right, no call. Kasi frontliner naman si Andrade.
Right. And 4 straight points now for Sistema. Isa na lang ang inahalaga ang Kalamangan. And
Tayo
Macalma.
nininervyos, partner.
Macalma is really punishing his former team except that time. Oh yeah?
Bilis ng bawi.
Oh, except that time. Bilis. Pero isipin mo, ano kaya pakiramdam ngayon ni Angelo Macalma? Siya dati yung kapitan
Doon sa
ng
kabila.
IEM at ngayon kalaban na niya yung dati niyang team for the championship. Here is Eden Canlas. Richard Gomez. Macalma. Espiritu. Kept alive by Eden Canlas. Ordonez to Jason Canlas off the block. Goma with the save. And a block by Andrade. Still kept alive. Renzi Hu. Macalma. They go to Michael Antonio.
And Antonio nails it.
And it is down to 1. Michael Antonio, his first point of the game. Andrade will sit. Papasok ulit si Anjo Banyaga.
Partner, Adego, hindi na ako makahinga sa nervyos sa
This is a great game.
Yes, exactly. This is what the championship should be. Diba?
At napapanood niyo po live dito sa GMA News TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. Noel Zarate, kasama si Mosi Ravena at si Andre Mulyakanda.
This is how the game is played.
And this
diba?
is men's volleyball action from the Shakey's B-League. Anjo Banyaga now, the former libero, to serve. And a rotation error against
Nako,
Sistema ang matatawagan.
this is going to be crucial.
Ang pwesto ni Antonio. And Yanni Fernandez, the assistant coach, already telling Arnold Lanyog what went wrong. And Richard Gomez is questioning this call.
Minsan yung labas-pasok na tao.
Right. So no substitutions will be allowed at this point. Well, there's one coming in. Kasi nung pumasok si Banyaga, kaninong pwesto ba dapat ang kukunin niya? Si Andrade, di ba? Andrade, I think, was a frontliner at the time.
14, 15.
So inaayos pa nila ito sa Jun Balubar quickly. That's a huddle. Let's listen in.
14, 15, 6, 14 ha? Tapos? Pwesto na, pwesto na. Ha? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
curious dito si referee Efren Gaan.
Six. Zone 5, zone 6. Zone 6 ano? Zone 6. Simpo. Number 5, zone 6.
Natatawa na rin si
Sa
Stefan.
tulog. Sa zone 5.
Ayos kasi this is going to be crucial.
Yes. As of now, the score has not yet changed. So there is a chance that there is no violation here after referee Efren Gaan will investigate. O, bumalik ulit si Tongking kasi pinalitan siya ni Hu para lamang ito yung rotation. Kinuha na yung R5.
Number 5. Walang pinalitan. Wala pinalitan? Ha? Okay.
And now the substitutions will be allowed. Now let's see, was there a violation? Referee Bongkinki will signal this. If there was no violation, he will put 2 thumbs up. If there is a violation, the scoreboard will change. And the scoreboard has changed.
Yes. Dapat yata wrong server.
Wrong
Hindi
server.
si Makalma ang magsiserve.
Hindi, si Banyaga yung nag-serve eh.
Oh, hindi. Dapat ang magsiserve dapat ay si Espiritu.
Oo. Well, frontliner pala noon si Onrade nung pinalitan ni Banyaga, kaya bumalik ulit si Onrade ngayon. So 10-8, 2-point lead now for IEM. Tignan natin kung natigil yung momentum. Well, obviously not. Onrade is still attacking. Mike Antonio, muwang ng atake. PJ Rojas on that draw, penalty violation. Jeffrey Jimenez.
My goodness! Eto na ang mga...
So isang rotation error,
yes, and yung mga...
pinalitan na net violation.
Tama, at ang errors na yan, iba magnified yan eh. Pagdating mo sa 5th set.
Because it's only a race to 15.
Correct.
Onrade trying to tie it up on his serve. Ordonez running attack. Jimenez nakapangan dito. Dito si PJ Rojas. Rojas not really known for his defense. Pero that time, nagawa niya ng paraan.
Solid defense there on the side of Sistema.
Running attack na pa-cross court na basa ni PJ. Tied at 10. Kani-kanina lamang 8-3 ang kalamangan ng IEM. Onrade with the serve. They go to Jason Canlas this time, and that one is going to stay in.
And I think that was a better option dahil parang inaabangan si Jimenez eh.
Right.
Sa running niya. So, Jason Canlas getting that point.
At lumapit na po ang IEM sa finish line dito. Up by 1, 4 points away from sending us to a game 3. Jason Canlas.
Oh, nice serve.
Inangat para kay Mike Antonio. Binuhay ni Canlas. It's still good. And that time Antonio cannot score. Jimenez. Makalma. Antonio.
Oh, and Antonio once again. Ang ganda ng timing ni Antonio doon sa mga putos niya,
Pang
partner.
5th set pala siya.
Oh,
Pang 5th set ito si Mike Antonio.
for the win.
Again, you have to remember, kaliwete po ito si Mike Antonio. He is now serving. One team is 4 points away from this match.
We are tied.
Yep, at 11. Ordonez sending it to JR Timbal.
Oh, but Timbal
At lumangan na po ang
Right.
Sistema.
going long. Yun yung babalik tayo dun sa umpisa, dun sa first set. Yung iniiwasan yung blockers na Sistema.
Right.
Yun nga yung ayaw ni Coach Jun.
And now Michael Antonio trying to make them come closer to a championship. Except it's a long serve.
Ang saya lang, partner!
12 all. So lahat ng ginawa natin for the past mga 2 hours, baliwala.
Ito lang.
Pabilisan
Hindi
na
yan
lang
baliwala.
3 points.
Sumaya tayo ng
Sumaya,
todo-todo.
pero parang practice lang para sa last 3 points dito. Ito na
Ganyan,
yung
ganyan
pinaglalabanan.
kadikit
Ah.
itong larong ito.
Makalma, Rojas, Almario, and Jimenez uses his left hand. No lifting violation there. One more time around for IEM. Eden Canlas, dug up there by Antonio. Makalma, Rojas,
Oh,
Timbal. They go to JR once again. And JR Timbal.
Timbal on the open hit.
Balik ang kalamangan sa IEM timeout sistema.
Hindi pwedeng trap po. Takin! Pasok ka ng bilis. 8 quick. Gawin dito, 8 quick. Saka pa nagdako. Ay, PJ!
Doon.
Tiwala kami sa inyo.
Pusor!
Kasi ganyan yung nangyari sa atin yung game 1.
Pagtigasan na lang to, okay? At tayo kaya ng assist to.
Tandaan natin na itong kupunan ng sistema is still waiting for a rotation para makabalik si Chris Makasaet sa harapan. But that time, JR Timbal able to detonate.
And what's good about that set? May pagka-short na pero napaganda pa for Timbal, di ba?
Ngayon, serving to get the match point first. Ito si Renz Ordonez, the captain. Macalma, quick set. Tonkin is blocked.
Oh, and
Jeffrey Jimenez now brings IEM to match point.
that's right, partner. Crucial 2 points.
Will there be a game 3? Yan ang katanungan dito.
Napaka-crucial ng 2 puntos na ibinigay ng IEM.
Double match point for Instituto Estético Manila. And the captain, Renz Ordonez, serving for the match. Macalma, yes! Nailusot kay JR Timbal.
Alba going for the dump. Ano mo? That's so brave of him.
Wala siya magagawa eh.
Oo, Dalanos over-received already. Pero remember, last point ng IEM.
And Coach Jun Balubar wants to make sure sila magre-receive ngayon. Kailangan nila ng plano.
Dito ko palulusutin to sa short na patumbahin mo. Kailangan mong tumalon. Para makumit yung tongkin, malibre to. And then, in any case, whatever happen, gusto ko yung tibay dito. Ha? Pag-receive, cover. Huwag mapupuntento, huwag manonood.
Receive ko, maganda.
Yung pinaka-importante sinabi ni Jun Balubar doon, yung cover. Ilang beses na nakakapuntos itong kupunan ng sistema dahil walang coverage sa likuran ng spiker. Trying to tie it up is the jump serve of PJ Rojas.
Right, will he go for a jump serve?
Wala siyang ibang serve kung hindi jump serve.
Sisiguraduhin na lang ba niya?
Let's see, here it goes. Good one, Almario. Ordonez. Eden Canlas is blocked there by Tonkin. Jimenez. And that does it. Instituto Estético Manila forces a game 3.
What a hard-earned win